With 360 cameras, you can create some mind-blowing videos, but the learning curve can be very steep. And if you're struggling to get the most out of your 360 camera, then you're in the right place. This course has been designed to grow your 360 skills and boost your confidence. And it's aimed at beginners as well as intermediate shooters who want to level up their skills or even shoot professionally. And it will take you step by step from total beginner level right through to shooting like a pro. The structure is split into three main sections. You have the basics, which is where you cover getting to know your camera, the shooting modes, the settings, as well as shooting photos and videos, how to reframe them, and editing multiple clips together and making completed videos in the Insta360 Studio or in the app. Then there's the developing your skills section, and this is where we start to take your skills to the next level and progress what you've learned in the basics section. And here you'll explore different camera mounts, learn about manual settings, getting the best audio, as well as being introduced to new shots you can start trying. The final section is achieving mastery, and this is where it really comes together, and I'll introduce you to some pro dynamic shots based on my 25 years experience working in TV as a camera crane operator. And I'll also give you a 6-step shooting framework that you'll be able to apply to any location and shoot any subject easily. And also in this section we have the 360 Reality Lab. And this is where we go behind the scenes and I analyse some footage and talk about how it all fits into the 6-step framework. Along the way, to make your journey easier, there are PDF downloads as well as 10 shot reference cards that you can download to your mobile and refer to for shot inspiration when you need it. And you'll have lifetime access to a private Facebook group where you can share ideas and ask questions in this exclusive community. For the first 50 signups on YouTube, I'm offering a 40% discount, so you'll get lifetime access to this course and all future updates for less than $59. If you're ready to boost your confidence and to make videos that will stand out and have more impact, then click the link below, and I really look forward to starting this journey with you. And of course, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments below, send me an email or drop me a DM on Instagram.